Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be drafting the front bodies. Please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe, also on your notification. For our next video, we'll be talking more about other drafting. We'll be using the measurements of bust 38, shoulder 16, waist 35, half length of 18, and then I've showed us how to use formulas to get all our measurements that we need on the drafting paper. For our bust, we're going to divide by 4, which will give us 9.5. Our neck width 3.1. Our neck depth is according to desired, but for the back I like using 2 or sometimes use 1. And our shoulder will divide it by 2. Our waist will divide it by 4. Then add our 1 inch for our that allowance. Then also for our bust depth, we'll divide by 6 and add 1.5, which gave us 7.8. Then here we'll be going directly to our brown paper. So here I'll be marking out my half inch on both sides. This half inch, I normally leave it for my allowance, so in allowance for the shoulder, I'll be marking at each end so that I can get a straight line with my rule. Then I'll be marking the other edge too. This is optional for the other edge. If you wish not to mark it, you can also leave it. The edge of the paper can also serve as a straight line for you, but I'll be marking it out, and I'll then use my rule to roll it out. Rolling it out now. My neck, I've marked out my neck measurement. My neck is 3 from the measurement that I gave at the beginning of the video. I'll be marking out my neck, and then my shoulder is 8, so I'm marking that out too. So I'll be getting my bust depth at the same time. My bust depth is 8. I'll be marking it out there. I'll be marking out also my full length. I decided to mark my full length first before my waist point, but you can actually mark out your waist point. So my full length, I'm going to be using 24. I'll keep folding allowance of 25, 1 inch allowance, making it 25. Then I'll mark my waist, which is 18. So I'll do that at different edges so I can get the straight line. I'll be marking it through the back once so that I can roll the line. Here I'll be labeling it bust line, my waistline, and then my full length. Now I want to get my bust point here. My bust point is 9.5, so I'm marking it out. Then also be marking out my shoulder point so I can roll my straight line from the up to the down. Here I'll be connecting the 2 shoulder lines from the shoulder to the bust line. And I'll also be coming down by 1 inch from my shoulder line so I can connect it to my neck. This shoulder line helps you to get this slope when sewing, because if you don't come down by 1 inch, if you sew it finish, it looks like a jacket. Then I'll be getting the middle point of my shoulder from that slope to my bust line, and the middle point is 3.5, so I'll be marking it out, and I'm going in by 1.5 to help my armhole to go in when sloping it. So this half inch enables you not to go too inside or too outside. And I'll be getting my slope from my bust point to that half inch and then to the shoulder, and you find it there, slope and then connect. Yeah, exactly that way. Then on the waistline, I'll be inputting my waist measurement. My waist measurement is given 8.75, so I'm going to mark it there. I also marked my full length circumference, and I'm marking it too. But due to the fact that I need a flowing top, I don't want it to be too tight, so I'll just connect from my full length to my bust line so that I can have that fullness, for the top. That's what I'm doing here. But if you wish your waist, to have this nice body shape, you can as well connect to the waist then to the full length. So here I will be covering my neck. I'm going down by 3 inches, so I'll be covering it. Remember the neck, if you want to get a deeper neck, you add 1 inch, so by the time you are done folding, you can get that exact neck measurement you needed for the depth. So now we're adding my allowance, my 1 inch at the bust, then ½ inch for my armhole and shoulder. Then I'll be connecting all after I'm done marking them. So now I'll be cutting each edge plus my sewing allowance. And here you have your back bodice. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys.